Hi, welcome to another paper planes video. In this video, we'll build the swooping wing. So this one looks like a swooping wings of a bird, and so that's why we call it swooping wings. It's a kind of a unique glider where it doesn't have a fuselage, so you have to find a way to actually throw it in the air. So you can basically hold it at the back and then throw it, or you can just hold it with your two fingers and then toss it. So there are multiple ways you can do it. Let's get started with this. We'll start with the rectangular piece of paper. We'll fold it along the width, shorter edge. Open it up and fold it along the diagonal. So start from one of the corners, fold that corner and then pull the paper on this end as far as possible, and then finalize the crease. Next, open it up and then repeat it on the other side. Do the same thing. Start with the corner, make a proper fold there, and then pull the paper on this end, align it, and then make the fold. Next, open it up. Flip the paper and fold it so that these two creases or corners and these two corners line. And everything aligns properly, you would notice that you would make the crease go to the intersection of the diagonal folds. Okay, open it up and then flip the paper again and push it in the center crease. You would see the whole thing popping up. Now let's make a fold and then push the internal sides and push it on top to form the fold. Okay, that's it. Next, let's pick up this the top layer corner and then make it align with the top corner and then press it along. So it'll form a triangle. So repeat it on the other side. Pick up this top layer, place this corner along this corner, and then make this edge align with this crease, and you get it. Next, pick up this corner, the top layer, the new corner that we formed, and then fold it as a triangle and make sure this edge meets the crease, center crease that we have here. Okay, repeat it on the other side. Pick up the top layer, make sure this edge aligns with the center crease and forms a triangle. Now what we should do is we should take a scissors and cut this region. So let's fold this top layer in here and this top layer here, and let's get a scissors and cut this bottom layer along the crease, and fold the cut part in on top of this. Now what we should do is pick up this small section, the top layer, and then you can see that there is a pocket here. So open up the pocket and then insert these two layers into that pocket. So insert it fully, so try to get it as much as possible inside, and repeat it on the other side. Open up the pocket and then insert the two layers inside. Once you've inserted it, lay it flat and then press along, make sure that it's all in there. Next, fold it in half. The shorter edges on top. Next, we have to make a cut. So let's take a ruler and draw a line roughly, let's say, an inch from this crease, and then let's draw another line next to it. Let's make sure that the line is good. Now we have to make sure that these lines are connected. So let's do something like that. So this is just like a rough sketch. Okay, so I'm going to cut along this line to form the tail section of the plane. So this is the section I'll get rid of. You need not make it like too accurate, as long as you get a general shape, that is good. Once you make the cut, open up the plane, and there you have it. This is the swooping plane. So as I mentioned before, you can throw it by holding at the back and then just tossing it that way, or you can just hold it between your middle finger and your thumb and then toss it that way. Or you can also hold it with your two fingers, the thumb and the middle finger, and then the index finger on the middle, and then flopping, tossing it this way. So if you're making it with a heavier paper, this is going to be nose heavy, so you need a little bit of up elevator. So just fold this a little up, and that will give you a little bit of up elevator, and then when you toss it, you would see it gliding along. So have fun building it. I will meet you in a different build video. Thanks for watching.